Hello everyone, welcome to another video. As we're coming up to this junction here, you'll see that 3 lanes go into 2. The outside lane merges into the middle lane, so it doesn't affect me. And this is what you can see. Nothing going wrong there, other than the Tesla moves over a little bit too close to the line, but other than that, not a lot wrong. But if you look at it from the back now, we're looking at this car here. He's the Joker. Now, he has a little look in my lane, too much traffic for him, so he stays where he is. Now, obviously, the outside lane is coming into his lane in a minute, but he doesn't want that. He's got all this room behind me to get into, and he's trying to get past me there where he can't. Now, if you look, it gives me a nice little hand gesture as well, as if it was my fault. The same car is behind me here, but we're looking at this genius here. Now, the car that's bibbing is the same car that tried to cut in a little while ago. And you can probably hear that's not me talking in the car. Now, why cross here when the crossing is just there? I'll never understand these people. We don't have to wait for you there. We have to wait for you at the crossing, as long as there's a red light, obviously. Now, this cyclist, if he isn't turning left, should he not be in my lane, right smack in the middle of the lane? And that one there, that's just going for a red light as per usual. It's what they do. Now, people say I'll pick on certain cyclists and Audis and stuff like that. So to balance it up, let's go forward a bit. And that van there, I'm pretty sure has gone for a red light.
No, but because Ore will give you, that kind of relationship.
And behind me, while that was all happening, yep, BMW don't like queuing. Doesn't quite understand what them arrows mean on the floor either. Now, nothing goes wrong in this clip. It's just a useless piece of information for you. If you remember the great train robbery from many years ago, can't remember how long ago, but a long time ago now, there was a guy called Ronnie Biggs who escaped from Wandsworth prison to go to Brazil. Well, coming up on the right hand side there is Wandsworth prison. That is where he escaped from.
Useless piece of information of the day. Useless piece of information of the day. Useless piece of information of the day. Useless piece of information of the day.
We're in Tooting for this one. Obviously, most of us know what that means. A right turn only lane if you don't know what that means. The professional driver doesn't know what that means. He should know what that means. I've speeded it up a bit. And there he goes. Cuts right in front of everyone. A little bit further down the road, I've got that same professional driver in front of me. Guess what? There's another one of them. And guess what? He's in the wrong lane again. A little bit further down the road, I've stopped quite a way behind the car in front, not to block this junction. Out comes the professional driver. No thank you. He actually gave me a dirty look as if I was doing something wrong to him. Okay, we're looking at this Audi here. Now, I know all you Audi lovers out there will be saying, "Oh, give us a break." Well, I am actually. I'm giving you a break. Watch this guy. He's put his hand up, says thank you. He was actually indicating coming out of there. He's put his hazards on to say thank you again. I know some people will be saying that's the wrong use of hazard lights, but in the real world out there driving, they also mean thank you. They mean a lot of other things, but they do mean thank you as well. He stops here at the red light. And the cyclist obviously goes through the red light, but we expect that, don't we? Moving on. The Audi indicates again to turn left. So far, so good, yeah? It's a bit slow, I know, but I keep having a go at Audis, so when they do something right, I need to show you as well. That's what everyone keeps telling me anyway. All you Audi drivers do anyhow. Now it's okay that he's out there on the right hand side because he's turning right just up here. Why this car behind me though has got into the wrong lane to want to turn right as well, I don't know. Why not pull further out so he's behind the Audi? See, now he's put his indicator on to go across, so I don't understand that one, but there we go. But look at the Audi again. You can just about see its right indicator on to turn right, and that's where we leave him. Pretty good, eh? Unfortunately, I cannot do the same compliment to the other German car, the Mercedes, this white one to the left here. What's that? Been attacked by fucking German cars. Idiot. Fucking look at me. As if I was doing something wrong. Now when we go to the rear view camera, you'll be able to see what I was going on about. I'm still in my lane, even though that car did go into the right hand lane to turn right. I'm still in my lane. But she isn't. And if you can see in her car, what's that? She's holding something. She's holding a cup of coffee, which is why she cannot steer. There's a couple of things to look out for in this clip. It's this white van that seems to need 2 lanes to turn right, and there's a guy in front that's going for a red light coming straight towards us. Any reason why you need my lane to turn left, turn right even? And that you're going for a red light back there? Any reason why you need my lane to turn left, turn right even? And that you're going for a red light back there? About 20 seconds down the road, we come to our next problem. We have joggers just over there, about to cross the crossing. We got the bike there that should be waiting for them. And we got the lady with the pram that's in the bike lane that shouldn't be.
Lotus Hotel, wasn't he? Oh yeah, White Lotus. White Lotus, yeah, that's it. Was being interviewed, and they asked him what his favourite TV show was, and he said the Royal, Christopher Moltisanti.
And if we go to the rear view camera, just to show you that there is a pavement just over there where she should be, not there where she is.